Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for subscribing. I really appreciate it, and I will have the announcement with the giveaway winner at the very end of this video, so stay tuned for that. Now today I wanted to share with you a tutorial of the felt insert that I've made for my traveler notebook, and I showed it last week. This was the one and you guys really liked it. So mind you, this is gonna be for a B6 because this is the type of traveler notebook that I'm using right now. And as you can tell, I used different kind of material. Well, I use always felt, but this is white felt, and I've used the digital kit from the Planner Society. This is the Valentine's Day one, and you can buy all this art, all the graphics, the paper on Christy Tomlinson's Etsy shop. Again, search Christy Tomlinson and you can just download it and print it at home. And this is what the insert will look like. This is the inside, these are the pockets, and this is the back, and this is the adorable girl that comes in all sorts of hair colors and several skin tones. So let me start by telling you exactly what we're gonna need to complete this project. So mainly we're gonna need clearly felt, we're gonna need ribbon, we're gonna need scissors, hot glue gun, some regular glue, and then some embellishment like little bows and stickers. Now for the felt, let me tell you, I've looked around for felt, and the one that I like the best is the one from Hobby Lobby. This is the one. It comes in sheets that are 12 by 18. They're 99 cents each. All colors, well, mostly primary colors actually, but what I liked about this particular felt is that it's thin, but at the same time is thick. Now the white is a little see-through, which I'm not crazy about, but you know, I can live with that. But again, the reason that we want it to be thin is because we're gonna be doubling it up, we're gonna be adding pockets, so if it's thick, it's gonna be a problem. It's gonna add too much bulk to your traveler notebook, and nobody wants that. And at the same time, it has to be stiff because, you know, we're going to be sticking stickers in here. We don't want things to fly out. So Hobby Lobby, it's the one where I found the one that I liked. Now, once you have your felt, we want to cut it down to this size. So this is 10.5 inches by 7 inches tall, which is the size for a B6 insert. Now, once you have it, you want to fold it over here. If you have a bone folder like this, you can go over it to make, you know, to make it, you know, fold better. It's just easier like that. Now that we have this, we're gonna have to add pockets, and the pockets, what you need to do is cut 2 rectangles. The rectangles are gonna be 4 7/8 by 3 7/8, and the reason that you want them to be slightly smaller so that when you fold it over, there's a little bit of space in between, you know, to give room for your insert. So now to glue them on, I'm using a hot glue gun, and I'm just gonna do that. So make sure that you had the glue right at the very edge, because if you do it too inside, clearly you're cutting in the space that your stickers are gonna have. So let me do that, guys. Okay, so now we're gonna let it dry for a second. We're gonna press it down, and now it's gonna stick to it. Now, now we're gonna start adding some embellishments. For example, this ribbon. So this ribbon is a ribbon that I had for a very long time. It's by American Crafts, and to adhere it, you know, just use, again, hot glue gun. I'm just gonna eyeball it, and I am just gonna cut it down to about the right size, and then put some glue, just strip, nice long strip, and about in the middle. That should do it. Then you can fold it over, take your scissors, cut any excess, and you're good to go. Now we're gonna go on the inside. So now I'm gonna show you, I'm gonna use gingham ribbon that I got from Hobby Lobby. This is the one. If you have like a wider ribbon, it's fine. I just had to double it up. So I cut 2 strips that were 4 7/8, and then I'm adding piece of trim that it's 4 7/8. So let me do that, and I'll be right back, guys. Okay, and I'm back. So as you can tell, I mean, this is not the best glue job I've ever done, but, and I've also cut it too short, but no worries because I'm adding some ephemera there, so we are good. And again, you can kind of move it around. If it's not placed right, you can lift it up and then, you know, take off any excess of glue. I always mess up whenever I use a glue gun because, I don't know, burn my fingers and all. And again, we can trim off the excess, and if you're afraid of your ribbon fraying, use some fray block, something like this you can buy at the craft store. And now what are we gonna do next? So we're gonna create our little dashboard like this. So in order to do our little dashboard, I printed out my images, and basically you want to download Christie's files, then you're gonna copy and paste whatever you like onto paper, and then you're gonna print it. And these are the images that I am gonna be using. And after I printed them out, I have cut them up, which I've already done. So you're gonna be doing some fussy cutting, and these are the images we're gonna be using. We're gonna be using this girl, the Be Mine, the Be My Valentine, and these, all these images. So now let's start with the first one, which is the frame. So this is the frame that I printed, and you know, to fit in there. So you know, and I'm gonna add to it, first of all, like I rounded off the edges with you know, a corner rounder. Then I printed this cute little what is it called, bear cage, this cute little bear cage. And I am just gonna glue it on like this real quick. Nothing doesn't have to be perfect because I am actually gonna laminate this. All I want to do is I want the little top to line up, and then I'm gonna be adding on this banner. This banner comes with 2 little birds here, but I cut the little birds out, and I'm just gonna use that and put it like so. And then I'm gonna get the cute little doves and again glue them on like this. And this one is ready to go. Then the next thing that we want to do is get our girl. I bet she's about 4 inches tall. I'm gonna get the red banner. Again, I cut out little birds. You're gonna add this on here in the middle, and then we're gonna laminate. So we're gonna take all these goodies, and we're gonna laminate them. And let me show you. So the laminating pouches I'm using are these are 3 millimeters. You just want to slide them into your laminating pouch and put into your laminator. I do it at the 3 thickness. And once you have these images laminated, now we're gonna cut them out, and I've already done that. So here is your final product. So we're gonna have this little dashboard and then this cute little thing. So let me show you how to do that. Now for the front, we're almost done. We're gonna take our glue gun and just go quickly around it. And I take bets. If I'm gonna burn my fingers, I'll take bets. I betcha I am going to. And now I have it, it's nice and attached here. Now I have also added a little, I like to add always a little bit of texture, a little bit of different, you know, material to it. So I'm gonna put this cute little bow here. And this cute little bow is actually from Hobby Lobby too. This is what it came in. It's in the Valentine's Day section. And then for here, I'm gonna use this 3D kind of jewel sticker that I bought from the dollar store last year. And then for the corners, I am gonna use these puffy stickers from Recollections. They're in the Valentine's Day section. And I'm gonna take the red ones in the medium size. And I'm just gonna put them, actually, sorry, that's the small size. Here we go. Just put them there. It just, you know, makes it look cute. There we go, and we are done with our front. Now for the inside instead, I am gonna, this is what we're gonna do. So I am gonna add this heart, this banner here. And I'll show you why it didn't matter that I covered, well, probably a little bit is gonna show, but it's all right. Anyway, just, you're gonna cut the right size, unlike me. But here we go, and see, actually you can't see it, so I am good to go. And now we're gonna take a little bow again and just add a touch of hot glue, put it right here at the top, get another one. And the reason that I'm putting them in different places is I'll show you when you close it up, you don't want it to be in the same spot or it's gonna be, it's gonna create too much bulk. And then, oh, these are little, cute little buttons. They're from Hobby Lobby too. This is how they come with. I use the one with the little dots inside, and I've just put a little bit of, I just added this this thing here. I don't know, what is it called, guys? I can't remember, but I've added on, just some trim there, here, and I'm gonna put that there, and then the other one. There. Okay, so the inside is done, and now we're down to the back side, and all we have to do is get our girl here right in the middle, and she is so pretty. I love her. Try to get the banner too, because otherwise it'll stick up a little bit. And there she is. And then we're gonna add just a couple of hearts, little hearts here, always from Michael's, at the end. And here we go, guys. Now this is the final project. Oh, and actually I forgot one thing. We want to round up the corners. Sorry, guys. So to round up the corners, you want some really sharp scissors, and you want it, it doesn't have to be perfect. This is something you're making for yourself. It's all right. If it doesn't come out perfectly rounded, it's okay. So that one is not perfectly rounded, but you get the gist. So here is my felt insert tutorial. I hope you guys liked it, and let me know if you have any questions, and I'll be glad to answer. Thank you so much, my friend, and stay tuned for the announcement. Bye-bye.